Hey guys, welcome to Kevin's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make delicious Kalakand. Kalakand is a festive Indian dessert which is also known as the milk cake. This dessert hardly requires any ingredients and is a concoction of delicious condensed milk and cheese. Now let's get started with our dessert. We'll begin by boiling 1 liter of milk in a round deep vessel. Here, the most important thing about making Kalakand is you have to constantly stir the vessel so that the milk doesn't burn at the bottom and on the sides. So keep scraping the sides and also scraping the bottom in a zigzag manner. We will continue the stirring process until the milk in the vessel has condensed to half of its volume. You should be able to see a thicker and more consistent condensed milk, to which we will add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice will start the curdling process and will transform a part of the condensed milk into soft cheese. We will continue the stirring process until our mixture of condensed milk and soft cheese transforms into a creamy yellowish color. Now for sweetness, we will be adding 50 grams of sugar, or you can also use powdered jaggery or maple syrup. We will add sugar part by part while stirring continuously to allow sugar to blend in well with our mixture. Here, please make a note that we are only using low flame for making our Kalakand because higher flame might burn our milk and might give a burning taste to our Kalakand. Now we will continue to stir our mixture for another 4 to 5 minutes until the color of our mixture changes to golden brown. Here, although the recipe involves lots of stirring, but in the end it's all worth it because look at the delicious texture. It's really delicious, you'll love it. After the addition of sugar, the mixture becomes quite manageable, and once it turns golden brown, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter and just cook it for 30 seconds more. And if you want your Kalakand to be a bit more crispy, then cook it for additional 30 seconds. Here our Kalakand is almost ready, so we will transfer them to a separate container for cooling. But since I want them to be a bit more crispy, I will cook them for 30 more seconds, which will give it a bit more golden brown color, just like this. Now that our Kalakand is ready, you can eat it just like this, or you can move them to a separate container, cool them down and give it any desired shape of your choice. Just like this cake where I have garnished it with some almonds and raisins, or transform them into snack bars or snack balls or any shape of your choice. And voila, our delicious Kalakand is ready. Celebrate your holidays with this delicacy and bon appetit! For more videos, please like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself and see you until next time. Thank you for watching.